We are here at Tamima's Tamtam. We want to try some viazi karai and some juice. Give an honest review of how it is. It's a new place at Mountain Mall, first floor, room B9. Come and try some good Swahili food.
Proper oven, microwave. Now we're going to the store. There's the boss lady. Oh, so organized, eh? Store, go back to the kitchen.
From the kitchen, now let's go and take a look at how it looks from the front side. Trust me, it looks beautiful. Just wait and see. Here we go.
You come from outside, that's what you see. Just look at that decor. That is so beautiful. From top to bottom. Just look at that. So beautiful. The lady has outdone herself on this one. Look at the decor. So nice. And we have a washing station there. Foods I don't even know what they're called. Some Swahili foods. There's a Telegram, Instagram, Facebook. You have Wi-Fi. If you come here. So I love the mango smoothie and viazi karai at 400, right? Yeah, I love that. Thank you. You can also order and they deliver to you. There's the lipa na M-Pesa. Your awards they've won. That's nice. Thank you. So umesema hizi ni viazi karai. And then pilipili ya ukwaju. Do you mind telling me what it's made of? Tamarind.
It has garlic, it has ginger. Dania.
Turmeric, ginger, garlic and dania.
Na pilipili. Yeah.
This thing is
Sinisumbue kwanza, acha nikule.
Hey, that mango juice. Some of the best I've ever had. Do you know?
Orange.
The orange. Orange one. I've always seen your cakes. I had to try one today.
Tamu.
I already trust you. Nilikwambia ujeanguka mtihani. So I've ordered a nice orange cake to take home with me today. As you can see, they have their own branded water bottles. And branded paper bags. So ukitoka hapo you're sorted. Come, let's support the boss lady. Ndio.
Hi guys, my name is Tamima of Tamima's Tamtam. Nimekaribishwa sana to have the best Swahili meals in the heart of Nairobi. And also keep watching Jikoni Expedition.
Thank you. Thank you.